sabdi, axad, Saturday, Sunday, maanta, shalay, today, yesterday, caawa, xalay, tonight, last night. Before you start the video, try to get the free PDF file on the description. But wait, look here on my YouTube analytics says 69% of my viewers are not subscribed yet. Am I doing wrong? Click the like button to reach my videos as many people as possible, and also to force the YouTube algorithm to reach many people. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you days and time in Somali. First, you will learn the days of the week in Somali. Then you will learn the time like today, yesterday, and more. If you're new here, I am Abdurrahman Abzi, the Somali native tutor, and I would really love your support. Let's get started. Days of the week in Somali. Isniin, Monday. Let's repeat. Isniin, Talaado, Tuesday. Let's repeat. Talaado, Arbaco, Wednesday. Let's repeat. Arbaco, Khamis, Thursday. Let's repeat. Khamis, Jimco, Friday. Let's repeat. Jimco, Sabdi, Saturday. Let's repeat. Sabdi, Ahad, Sunday. Let's repeat. Ahad. So you can easily say today is Saturday, or maybe Sunday, Monday, and so on. Maanta wa Ahad, or Maanta wa Isniin. Maanta, it is today. Wa is and the day. Maanta wa Ahad. Today is Sunday. The time in Somali. Maalin, a day. Let's repeat. Maalin, Maanta, today. Let's repeat. Maanta, Birri, tomorrow. Let's repeat. Birri, Shalay, yesterday. Let's repeat. Shalay, Darad, before yesterday. Let's repeat. Darad, Isbu', a week. Let's repeat. Isbu', Bil, a month. Let's repeat. Bil, Sanad, a year. Let's repeat. Sanad, Isbu'an, this week. Let's repeat. Isbu'an, Bishan, this month. Let's repeat. Bishan, Sanadkan, this year. Let's repeat. Sanadkan, Isbuucii hore, last week. Let's repeat. Isbuucii hore, sanadkii hore, last year. Let's repeat. Sanadkii hore, isbuuca soo socda, next week. Let's repeat. أسبوع soo socda. أسبوع soo socda. bisha soo socota. Next month. Let's repeat. bisha soo socota. bisha soo socota. sanadka soo socda. Next year. Let's repeat. sanadka soo socda. sanadka soo socda. habeen, a night. Let's repeat. habeen, habeen. caawa, tonight. Let's repeat. caawa, caawa. xalay, last night. Let's repeat. xalay, xalay. habeen hore, a night before last night. Let's repeat. habeen hore, habeen hore. habeen dambe, tomorrow night. Let's repeat. habeen dambe, habeen dambe. Now let's have a quiz. What day after? أحد, أربعة, جمعة. So أحد, Sunday, اثنين, Monday. أربعة, Wednesday, خميس, Thursday. جمعة, Friday, سبت, Saturday. I'm very sure this lesson was very helpful because it's really very difficult to find a kind of this video which is very helpful. Again, hit the like button to reach this video as many people as possible. Nabat Galio for now and see you in the next one.